In this video, we will see dry run of the code.
So now let's see. So here we have two arrays. So this is array 1 and this is array 2, right? Of this is size n1 and this is of size n2. So let's start. So I will first come to here I equals to 0. So I will initialize one I pointer, I will initialize one j pointer, I will initialize one k pointer, right? Both are at 0. So this will also, let me put the indexes here, 4 5 6, right? So I have created one res array. So this is my resultant array, that is res, okay, of size n1 plus n2, that is 7 here, 3 here. So 7 plus 3 10. So this is n of 10. Okay, now let's come to here. While I is less than n1, yes, I is less than n1, that is 7. J is also less than n2, that is 3. So if array 1 of I is greater than or equals to array 2 of j, so yes, array 1 of I is greater than equals to array 2j. So what I will do, I will fill the rest k with array 2 of j. So I will fill the 5 here and I will move j pointer and I will move k pointer, right? Again I will come to this loop, right? Is I is still less than n1? Yes, it is still less than n1, and j is also less than n2. I will come here. Is array 1 of I is greater than array 2 of j? No, array 1 of I is not greater. So I will come under this condition, and here what I will do, I will fill this element rest of k with array 1 of I. So I will fill with 10 and I will do I plus plus and I will do k plus plus, right? Now again I will come to this loop. I is less than n1, yes, it is still less than n1. J is less than n2, yes, it is. So is array 1 of I is greater than equals to array 2j? Yes, it is equal to array 2 of j. So fill the jth element. So I will fill the 15 and I will move my j pointer and I will move my k pointer. Again same, I is less than n1, j is less than n2, yes, both are less than. Is array 1 of I is greater than array 2 of j? So that is 15, not greater. So I will come under else condition. I will fill with 15, I will move my I pointer, I will move my k pointer. Again I less than n1, j less than n2. Array 1 of I is greater than array 2 of j? No, it is not. 20 is less than. So I will come under this condition and I will fill 20 and I will move my I pointer and I will move my j pointer, sorry, k pointer, right? Now you can see here is still I is less than n1, j is less than n2, right? Array 1 of I is greater than array 2 of j, yes, it is greater. So fill the jth element, rest of k equals to array 2 of j. So I will fill with 25, I will move my j pointer and I will move my k pointer. Now still I is less than n1, yes, it is. I is less than n1. J is less than n2, no, it is not. Now the jth index is 3, right? So this loop will terminate here, right? I will come to here. Is I is less than n1? Yes, I is less than n1. So what I will do, I will fill all the elements one by one, right? So I will fill rest of k, right, 30, and I will move my I pointer like I plus plus, I will move my k pointer. Similarly again while loop, I is still less than n1, yes, it is. Fill the 35, move your I pointer, move your k pointer. Again is I is less than n1, yes, it is still less than n1. Fill with 40, move your I pointer, move your k pointer. Is I is less than n1, yes, it is still less than n1. So fill with 45, move your I pointer, move your k pointer. Now is I is less than n1? No, it is not. Now I is equals to 7. So this is done, right? This is done, I will say. This is also done. J is also less than, j is less than n2? No, j is equals to n2. So this is also done. And now you can say you have a sorted array, right? So now what will be the time complexity of this code? Let's talk about the time complexity here. So again it is very simple, both pointers are moving, right? And the largest pointer that is moving, that is k, right? So k pointer will start from 0 and it is going to n1 plus n2, right? So the time complexity will be linearly dependent, right? Linear size of the input. If both the n1 and n2 will increase, your time complexity will increase, right? And you need to fill all the elements. We are doing just do an iteration, so it will be big of n1 plus n2, simple. All right, and we are taking one space, right? We are taking a complete new array, so the space complexity will also be there. Space complexity will be big of n1 plus n2 because I have created this space, right? N equals to 10, which is n1 plus n2. So this will be the time complexity here. Now here is one task for you. Okay, so we have created this, we have solved this problem by using some space, right? We have created one array. Can you solve the same problem? Can you solve the same problem by using no space? So I am simply saying the space complexity should be constant. In that case, how you will do it? So okay, let me give you some hints. So remember that instead of here you are getting 7 elements, here you are getting 3 elements. So you need to fill, suppose in array 1, and how you need to fill, you will be provided with some of the array elements. So suppose you need to fill this with 10, you will be provided with some empty spaces here, always in array 1. Now can you merge it without using any space? Yes, it is possible, right? So go check this out. In LeetCode you can find this type of question, right? And try attempting it, how you can solve this without using any space. So that's all from my side. Thank you.